Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how to add notes on Instagram. Maybe you want to add notes on Instagram but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add notes on Instagram. Check the video description and I'll try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. And then in here, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, tap on this message icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll see here the message Friends Redirect. As you can see, you will see here your note and here is a plus button. Tap on this plus button. And then in here, type in your thoughts. For example, you've been thinking of pizza, simply tap on pizza. After that, simply tap on the share button. As you can see, here's a notes. Notes are visible for 24 hours. People can reply with a message and won't be notified when you share. Tap on this share button. As you can see, you have a notes in here. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add notes on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add your note on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.